Have you ever wondered how the commercial real estate market is bouncing back after recent downturns? Welcome to the Commercial Real Estate Insights Podcast. I'm your host, Steve Hamoen. Let's get right to it. The commercial real estate market's showing signs of recovery as bid intensity increases, according to a recent article by Caroline Lubinsky. As the market begins to stabilize, investors are demonstrating renewed confidence, leading to increased bidding activity. This trend is notable in both Canadian and American markets, highlighting the cross-border relevance of these developments. In the Kitchener-Waterloo region, multifamily properties are seeing a marked uptick in interest. This is partly due to a strong demand for rental housing, driven by population growth and urbanization. Similarly, in the United States, cities like Austin and Seattle are experiencing a resurgence in multifamily investments, indicating a broader recovery trend. Tenant leasing is also on the rise, with industrial spaces in London, Ontario, witnessing significant interest. The demand for warehouse and distribution facilities is fueled by the ongoing growth of e-commerce and the need for efficient supply chain solutions. In contrast, American cities such as Chicago and Dallas are seeing a similar uptick as businesses seek to optimize their logistics operations. Office spaces, although slower to recover, are beginning to see increased leasing activity. In Cambridge, Ontario, for instance, flexible office solutions are gaining traction as companies adapt to hybrid work models. This mirrors trends in the U.S., where cities like New York and Los Angeles are witnessing a gradual return to office spaces. Retail and other commercial sectors are not left behind, as consumer confidence slowly rebuilds. Retail spaces in downtown areas are attracting more foot traffic, with local businesses benefiting from the uptick in consumer spending. This pattern is evident in both Canadian and American markets, suggesting a synchronized recovery. Overall, the commercial real estate market is showing promising signs of recovery, with increased bid intensity and investor confidence. As we continue to monitor these trends, it will be interesting to see how the market evolves in the coming months. In Charleston, a Florida investor named Thompson Whitney Blake has made a $30 million offer for the Dockside condominiums, which were evacuated earlier this year. Blake, a real estate developer and private equity investor, presented his bid to the board on September 5th, aiming to take over the building, including asbestos remediation and demolition. He emphasized the urgency of removing the condo tower, labeling it a significant liability. Blake's offer proposes an average payout of $225,500 for each of the 133 condo and townhome units. Additionally, his terms suggest that property owners could share half of any land sale proceeds or 15% of any development profit. However, the offer has been met with mixed reactions, as some owners are experiencing a financial hit, having initially paid upwards of $1 million for their waterfront condos. The Dockside property, located along the Cooper River, has seen units sell recently for as low as $90,000 to $120,000 due to infrastructure issues. Many owners are eager to find a resolution, given the financial burden of maintaining two households since the evacuation order was issued in February. City officials evacuated residents on February 27th after engineers discovered that the building's concrete slabs lacked the strength to support its weight, risking a structural failure known as punching shear failure. A proposed repair estimate stood at $151 million, leading property owners to vote almost unanimously against making the repairs in August. For the sale to proceed, 100% of the property owners must agree to sell, as mandated by South Carolina law. Despite Blake's offer, the Dockside board has not scheduled a vote to sell the property. Instead, they've enlisted sales and leasing broker Michael Carmody of CBRE to assist in marketing the building. The board has acknowledged Blake's offer, but has forwarded it to CBRE for evaluation. The board has indicated that there are multiple potentially interested parties, with CBRE expected to issue an offering memorandum to potential buyers in October, targeting a December deadline for final offers. Blake, however, has expressed concerns over the lengthy due diligence process, which could extend the timeline significantly, costing millions in tests and permits before a sale could be finalized. While the Dockside board maintains that not all offers need to be disclosed to property owners immediately, they plan to review offers with legal and real estate professionals before presenting a proposed purchase to the community for a vote. The situation remains complex, with Blake arguing for a swift resolution to alleviate the financial strain on affected owners. Savannah Tenenoff from Wilmington Star News reports on a proposed development in Brunswick County that could significantly impact the area. The project, set just outside Leland, aims to transform 4,000 acres into a bustling community with schools, homes, and commercial spaces, including a corporate campus. The scale of this development reflects the rapid growth Brunswick County is experiencing. As the population increases, so does the need for infrastructure that supports residential and commercial expansion. This development could bring thousands of homes and cars to the region, posing both opportunities and challenges for local planners and residents. The inclusion of a corporate campus within the development is particularly noteworthy. This aspect of the project could attract businesses and professionals to the area, contributing to economic growth and job creation. It aligns with broader trends seen in other rapidly developing regions where mixed-use developments are becoming more common. While the proposed development promises new amenities and growth prospects, it also raises concerns about potential growing pains. Infrastructure such as roads, utilities, and community services will need to be expanded or upgraded to accommodate the influx of new residents and businesses. These considerations are crucial for ensuring sustainable development that benefits the community long-term. In an interesting turn of events, commercial real estate is getting its chance to shine on the small screen. A new reality television show titled The Real Estate Commission is set to debut on the cable network A&E. The show, featuring Todd Drowlett, a broker based in Albany, New York, aims to bring the less glamorous side of real estate, such as strip malls, office buildings, and warehouses, into the spotlight, proving that commercial real estate can be just as captivating as its residential counterpart. According to Daniel Geiger's article, the show will explore the hustle and bustle of commercial real estate, aligning with the growing interest in side hustles and investments. Todd Drowlett, at the center of the show, promises to reveal the authentic highs and lows of deal-making in a multi-trillion-dollar industry. The series will alternate between the leasing side of the business and efforts to sell properties, showcasing the intricate process of commercial real estate transactions. It's set in regions like upstate New York, Vermont, and Pennsylvania, offering a refreshing take on real estate reality television. While traditional real estate shows often highlight the glamour of big cities like New York City, Los Angeles, and Miami, the Real Estate Commission focuses on relatable stories from everyday people, capturing the inherent drama and lessons within the commercial real estate business. Justin Cerrone, an executive producer on the show, believes that the stories will resonate with audiences, despite the show's smaller scale compared to other real estate programs. The involvement of everyday people and the stakes involved in real estate transactions provide a narrative rich with potential intrigue and inspiration. Barbara Corcoran, a well-known figure in the real estate world and star of Shark Tank, expressed her initial skepticism about commercial real estate's appeal on television. However, she acknowledged that a good story can captivate audiences regardless of the subject matter. Her own experience with Shark Tank, a show initially doubted for its business focus, demonstrates how seemingly dry material can achieve television success. As the Real Estate Commission prepares to air, it will be intriguing to see if it captures the imagination of viewers and perhaps inspires future real estate entrepreneurs. Thank you for listening to the Commercial Real Estate Insights podcast. I'm your host, Steve Hamoen. See you on the next one.